the first thing you probably know about Seller Assistant is like its Chrome extension, and at this point, the Chrome extension cover all your needs on analyzing products. It shows you the current and historical information about product. It shows some codes like UPC AN codes. It shows sellers who sell those products, prices, average prices, like keeper drops, sales estimates, and you can see like some flags, like is it product have variations, is like any is it high risk products, do we have some um, suspension records on these products, is it Amazon in the buy box, does it is it meltable, oversized or so.
Mm.
And also it allows you to do some product calculations. For example, uh, you can go and like, um, for example, you can go and Google products in the Google Shopping and find suppliers like somewhere like 9.99, for example. And you can like add it and calculate your profitability right here. So actually, this is a profitable product. We just found the product that can be, sold for profit, but we need to check if if it's profitable enough to sell on your account. So you can um, analyze products, use our side panel, and check if it worth selling this product. If it does, you can, if it worth selling, you can save it to Google Sheets, or you can like, copy URL, save it for your, future use right here, and save this information to Google Sheets. This is our old workflow. Now we are working hard to bring a new workflow to the extension where you save products right to Seller Assistant tool. Actually, it's saved in Seller Assistant, but there is much more, much more possibility to you in the future to manage it. Like we are working hard to bring ability to store different suppliers for a single product. And in the new version of the extension, you'll be allowed to check as many sellers as you want. The extension is not ready yet for that, but in the new version, it will be ready. So in a few weeks, you'll be able to see all the suppliers in one place right here in the extension.